Welcome to Not Just Carrots. I'm Dr. Amanda Steele, and I'm an optometrist with MyEyeDr from Raleigh, North Carolina.
And I'm Dr. Artis, Beatty, Chief Medical Officer, also from Raleigh, North Carolina. Patients often ask me what foods they should eat to keep their eyes healthy and their vision sharp.
Today, we're going to show you one of our favorite recipes that will keep your eyes in tip-top focus. This recipe is amazing and has such great flavor.
And don't forget to stop by our YouTube channel and MyEyeDr's blog where you can see every Not Just Carrots episode.